Hi guys and welcome in another video on this channel. My name is Marcin if you are new, and today I'm not really presenting again any tutorial on this channel. The tutorial will be just in a few days, and if you check in this video a little bit later, there's probably already some tutorials, so make sure you check a little bit more what exists on this channel. And I want to talk today about my courses, not existing courses, but about the future. I was trying to be very personal about what I do. So I'm trying to respond on each comment here on YouTube. And also with my premium courses, I'm not just trying to sell the product and not having relation with you. I was trying to be helpful. If someone cannot get some resources from my course because has difficulties downloading, I will contact you and try to send it other way. I will try to respond for questions as much, of course, as my time allows me. So I'm not treating this just a product, but I'm trying to be personal. I'm giving them away for very low prices, and I'm trying to be as fair as possible with you. And sometimes when I post the course, some of you might be not fully satisfied, and it's fair. You can hit me up, tell me what's going on, what's missing, or what you want more, or if it's incomplete, you have questions, just ask me. That's very important for me to keep this as a quite friendly environment that we have. And what's most important, I'm trying to improve all the time, and I retouch a lot, but I'm trying to record new things all the time, including the courses, premium courses mainly. And I want to know from you, because I know many of you is not professional retouchers, and many of you won't be professional retouchers, because I know many people just don't expect that. They just want to improve their own photography. So here's my question. Which courses you want to see? I mean, premium courses as well as the videos on YouTube sometimes, but let's start from the premium courses. As you know, I'm retoucher. So just to answer to few things that appeared, I'm not going to make the course, for example, of typography or graphic design. This is not something I do. I work strictly with images, and I'm trying to make good images. So let's keep this, sticking to this subject. We take care of photography. And I can work with Lightroom, Photoshop, and Capture One, 3 softwares. And then what more I can do? I have few ideas, and I'm collecting materials now for, actually when I do my retouching courses, I often pay for the sessions, for the model, for the photographer, and then I need to get the release, and then you can have material to practice. So it costs me some effort, not only by making, but financial effort. But I also do some photography myself, not fashion photography, but just different kind of images. I have few ideas. One idea, Hong Kong has great neon lights, and not only great night lights. And I'm trying to do some photography, collect some materials to do some night portraits. And I was thinking this is something that some of you could be interested. So this is the one idea. Lifestyle images connected with creating LUTs. I don't know if you know about the LUTs, but this is sort of filters that LUTs you can apply to your images and to your videos. So I'm thinking of making the lifestyle photography with creating LUTs together, how to create the LUTs on the lifestyle photography so you could get them and apply to your own images or your own videos. So this is 2 course ideas so far, and I will plan to do this in the next few months. Of course, I'm shooting more images because I want to give you the images to practice with the course. I'm always trying to do this. So let me know if this is something you would like. And if you have something in your mind, and if you think I should do something more, just let me know. When do you expect? Maybe you want something about Lightroom. So I will try to fulfill your wishes, if you have any, for my future courses. So just feel free. I would really encourage you to leave the comment here and tell me what do you expect. And then I will try as hard as I can to do what you want me to do. Of course, my recent materials that I release are in the description. You just need to hit the link. Lingerie swimwear course, and in 2 weeks probably I hope I can have enough materials about the night photography and be starting working on the new course, a little shorter, I think around 2 hours course, also probably slightly cheaper, something quick for people who want to experiment with the low light and different colors of the light, how to manipulate with light, something more about the color harmonies. So yeah, let me know what you think and let me know what do you want to see from me. This is the basic idea behind this video, and in these 2 days I will think on the image choice for the next video tutorial, which will be portrait editing, full portrait editing outdoor, and I think you will absolutely enjoy this. So if you stayed with me till the end of this video, just my face talking, I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video.